Hey, how's it going? Lonnie Welch here of Playbook Mastery. Thank you for stopping by. I'm doing a case study on MLGs and Clickbank. How this works is we're starting with MLGs. This is a emailing service that gives you 100 leads per day that you can use to promote e-business type products, and we're going to use those leads to promote a clickbank product called writer clicks. But anyway, here's how it works. Like I say, you get 100 leads every day. We're going to be using those to work with clickbank. You get drip fed these leads. So what happens you're able to send out an email every 24 hours. And the reason for that is they don't want this to be a spam issue. People keep sending out the same email over and over again. And basically, nobody likes spam. So anyway, there's another thing that we can do, which is called chaining your accounts. And I'll talk about that a little bit. But also in this here, you're able to make residual income off this as well by promoting and having other people that sign up to get their own list to be able to promote their own products. One of the other things that I didn't say is it's not limited to just ClickBank products. It's also for what are some of the other ones? Of course, I'm losing my train of thought here. I'm just coming over a cold a little bit. But you can promote this product to, oh gosh, I can't even think of them today. Oh, well, we'll go into that later. But it's ClickBank products and other companies similar to ClickBank. So if you get 5 people to sign up under you in a week, you also get a $100 bonus as well. And there's a tier breakdown. So the first level is $5 for referral, 4, 3, 2, and 1. These are all opportunities where you can make some money as well. So what I put this together with was simply this. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I'm going to open up an account. I have multiple accounts, and I also tried a few different things. I have 10 accounts. I recommend starting with 5. That's really the sweet spot. And how it works, by the way, it's $30 per month per account. Your initial start is $60, so it's $60, and then after that, from that point on, it's $30 per account. So we'll go through this here, send out my emails. I have 4,593 open, 200 clicks, 6% click rate. So it's not too bad. But I wanted to mention one thing. So during this case study, I did the first 9 days in a row, and then had life got in the way. I actually got married over this time period, so I miss posting every day. So I missed out on probably a lot of money over these last few weeks, because I've been gone for 2 weeks. But anyway, I did get a chance to post a little bit during that time, and I made some sales through there as well. So anyway, so here's the product. You go to ClickBank under eBusiness, live chat jobs. This is my whole 90-day test that I'm doing, just using this product for 90 days. Once you sign up for the account, you're able to go through their emails, and you're able to create these emails, and then you use my lead to promote them. So I've done a few things different. I've created some of my own emails using a chat GPT. Normally I have that up, but like I said, I'm just kind of getting back in the groove. So I send out my emails. This is going to my offer. And then I also promote what I talk about. I use it, so I promote with it. So you have the opportunity to sign up. There'll also be a link in bio if you choose to work with me. Let's see, we going through here. And let's go back to it. So basically, this is the email that I would send out. And this goes out once a day. I send out multiple different emails every day. Let me move on to the next. To get this really nice looking, and click on that again. This nice looking setup, I use a thing called Signature Hound, and for some reason I don't understand why it moves slow. Other than that, I would normally just press the button and then it'll work, but it's been acting a little weird. But I would use that to create my signature line. I'm bouncing all over the place today. To create my signature line, and that's what I put into my account to help me promote this as a product. Now I cover the link chain. Boy, I'm having one today. As you can see, this is strictly off the cuff. You're getting to see all my stuff today. It's okay. There it is. So the link chain works like this. You have email one. If you link that with email two, they get 200 leads. Link email 2 with 3, 200 leads, 4 with 3, 200 leads, 5 with 4, 200 leads. And this one, if you're promoting the product, somebody signs up under you, they get 200 leads and then you get 200 leads, which means you're getting about 7,000 leads a week, which increases your chances of making sales. So the part that you came for, so I'm going to go ahead and click into there. See how well it likes me. So like I said, I've been missing in action since about the 16th. So yeah, a little over 10 days. Like I said, I made a few sales during this time period. Like I said, I'm hoping to get back in a groove because I was getting my $100 a week, which I'm starting out and trying to move that up to 200 then to 300 per week. So I'm hoping by the end of the 90 days, I'll be pushing on $300 per week. So I got some work to do. So posting, but yeah, but to be frank, to be honest, it works. It's been working so far since I've been doing this. So it's definitely something you want to check out. This is day 10. I will be back on tomorrow. I'm going to start back posting and then we're going to go from there. All right. See you on the next one.